Aloha, I'm Dr. Kelsey Becker and I'm going to show you how to make a massaged kale salad. So kale is pretty fibrous. It has a much more dense leaf than other types of greens like spinach or lettuce. And so massaging the leaves can help break down some of that fiber and make it a little bit more malleable for just eating raw in a salad. So we already have a prepared salad dressing here which contains lots of herbs. It has parsley, cilantro, garlic, green onions, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and a little bit of salt and pepper. And so it's a very simple salad dressing, and we just made a demonstration of that, so you can check that out in the other video. We have that, or if you want to just be very simple, you can massage with just some lemon juice, olive oil, and add whatever seasonings you like, herbs or salt and pepper. So I'm going to begin by just de-stemming all of the kale, and I do that with my hands because it's very easy. So we'll start just kind of breaking down the kale leaves. I already broke those ones off, and I like to save the stems because we can use those in a broth later on. So you can simply just pull the leaf, get the coarse stem out, and then from there kind of break the leaves down to a bite-sized piece. And so I will just start to demonstrate with this amount that we have here. It's a nice bowl size. And I'm going to squirt a little bit of the lemon juice on. Make sure that you don't have any seeds falling in. A little bit more of the lemon juice. There's a seed that fell in. All right. And because this is such a great salad dressing with all those herbs and garlic and green onions, I'm going to add that instead of adding just plain olive oil and salt and pepper, because this has a lot more flavor and it's had a little bit of time to infuse all of those herbs into it. So I'm going to use that as the dressing for massaging. So I've kind of just coated it, and make sure that your hands are clean, they're nice and washed, and go ahead and get in there. If you have any kind of cuts on your fingers, the lemon juice can sting quite a bit, so just keep that in mind before, diving in. And you want to be gentle, just using your fingers to massage in the oil, massage in the lemon juice or the apple cider vinegar, and try to coat every single leaf that is in there. We're not trying to mash it and break it down per se, we're just softening it up. And so once all the leaves have been coated and you feel like the texture of the greens are softer, it is probably ready. And you can do that by just giving it a little test. So here I have a raw leaf, and you can tell kind of takes a little bit of effort to break down, versus the massage leaf just kind of rips apart really easily because those fibers have been broken down. So once it gets to that consistency, I think that is good to end, because you don't want to break it down too much. You still want some of that good fiber and hardiness. And I'm just going to transfer that to a plate so that I can enjoy. There we are. I'm going to add just a little bit more. It smells so good. And here we are, a massaged kale salad. Very, very simple, very easy, and very nutritious. Enjoy.